Hey everyone, today I'll guide you through how to fix the issue where USB tethering is not working and your phone only charges. This problem can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to use your phone's internet on your computer but can't. To begin, plug in the USB cable. You'll see that your phone starts charging. Now what you need to do is open your phone's settings, scroll down and tap on Portable Hotspot. At this point, the USB tethering option should appear. Go ahead and switch it on. It should now start working. Next, go back to your main settings and unplug the cable. Then tap on About Phone. Now tap on Software Information and then tap on Build Number several times until you become a developer. At this point, developer options will be enabled. Go back, scroll down to find additional settings, and then select Developer Options. Here, look for Tethering Hardware Acceleration and make sure it's enabled. You should also find Default USB Configuration and set it to USB Tethering. Now plug your phone back in, head to the tethering settings again, and check if USB tethering is available. If it still doesn't work, try plugging the cable into a different USB port on your computer. If that also doesn't help, try using a different USB cable, and if the problem continues, hold the power button and restart your phone. USB tethering can stop working for various reasons, ranging from cable issues to system settings, but by following the steps above, you should be able to fix the issue in most cases. Thanks for watching this tutorial.